this way, that means you're available, you're single.
With
This side.
what on what side is
This
it?
side, yeah.
That side.
Okay.
That means you're single, you're available. But if you wear it like this, that means you're
On the outside.
a married lady.
Okay.
Okay, so different ways. So if you're single, you wear this side, but you're a married lady, wear it on that side. That's our beliefs.
That's what they
Yeah.
say, but I see sashes, how they word, some of them they word in the middle.
So with me, I always wear my sass on this side like this.
And when they broke their arms or something, they used to use it as a sling. You know, they used to use the sacks for a lot of things. You got a sore back, I think you just go around your back,
Round
but keep going around
Yeah.
real tight.
Yeah.
And then they say there's medicine in it for your back. I guess why? It keeps your back warm. Eh?
There's
So you heal
yeah,
faster.
their medicine, yeah.
Really neat.